Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a seller's permit in Florida. First, confirm if your business activities require a sales tax permit. Generally, if you sell taxable goods or services, you'll need one. The most efficient way to apply is online through the Florida Department of Revenue website. This method is not only faster, but also completely free, saving you the $5 fee associated with paper applications. It's a straightforward process. Before starting your application, gather essential business information. You'll need your Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, which is issued by the IRS. Be ready to provide details about your business entity structure, such as whether it's a sole proprietorship or an LLC, along with owner or officer information. Additionally, have your North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS, code ready to describe your business activities accurately. To begin, navigate to the Florida Business Tax Application website. Your first step there will be to create a new user profile, establishing your login credentials. Once your profile is set up, carefully follow the guided prompts to complete the Florida Business Tax Registration application. Remember to check your email for a confirmation link from the Florida Department of Revenue, then use it to log in and finalize your submission. After submitting your application, you can typically expect to receive your certificate of registration and business partner number by mail within 7 to 10 business days. It's important to note that Florida sales tax permits are generally renewed annually, so keep an eye out for renewal notices to maintain compliance. Once approved, you'll be ready to collect sales tax. For more great deals and to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.